Howdy, folks. Today we're talking about a aloe vera and peppermint gel recipe for bug bites. Aloe vera and peppermint work together to soothe the sting of bug bites and reduce swelling. Make this gel ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator for long-term use. What you'll need is an 8-ounce bottle of alcohol-free aloe vera gel and 20 drops of peppermint essential oil. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Mix the ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk the aloe vera gel and peppermint essential oil until well combined. Step 2. Transfer to a bottle. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a labeled plastic squeeze bottle. Step 3. Apply to bug bites. Use your fingertips to gently apply a small amount of the gel to the affected area. Step 4. Reapply as needed. Use as often as necessary to relieve itching and swelling. Store the gel in the refrigerator for a refreshing and effective treatment anytime. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, show you the way to live life better day by day.